Hey you guys, so my client just recently took down some 4-week-old knotless sprays that I did on her, and she decided she wanted a hair loss treatment. Before shampooing and conditioning her hair, I decided to do a pre-poo. What this pre-poo consists of is aloe vera and sea moss water. All I did was mix the two together and I began to spray the mixture onto her hair. As you can see, I'm using very large sections and I'm pretty much saturating this treatment throughout her hair. Now, after I'm done saturating each large section, I'm going to go through and comb it. What I absolutely love about the aloe vera and sea moss treatment is that it's an awesome detangler. So I'm still taking large sections and I am still applying the treatment throughout the hair. I'm being extremely generous because I want to make sure the hair is very hydrated before I shampoo and condition her hair. So now I'm going to go for a wide tooth comb and I'm going to start combing throughout her hair. This detangler is so great that it literally combs through like butter. So normally I like to comb the hair from the ends to the root, but I just want to show you guys how great of a detangler that it is that I started at the mid lengths to the ends. Now I'm going to continue to comb throughout the hair just so that her hair is detangled before I start shampooing. So now I'm done shampooing and conditioning her hair, and now I'm going to be using the Derma roller, which is a 0.25 millimeter. I found this Derma roller on Amazon, and I'm going to be going horizontally throughout her entire scalp, and I'm taking small sections. And once I do this step, I'm going to repeat this step, and I'm going to be going vertically along with horizontally along her scalp. Now, apply light pressure. You do not need to apply heavy pressure on the scalp. I'm also going to go through along her hairline as well. So now that I'm done derma rolling, I'm going to be going through with Stimulate Extreme Serum, and I'm going to go throughout her entire scalp where I apply the derma roller just so that those oils can infuse her scalp. And now we are done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.